In this video, I'll teach you how to display fiscal years on the timescale bar in a Microsoft project schedule. If your organization uses fiscal years, and it's important to see that information in your Microsoft project schedule, then you'll want to know how to display fiscal years on the timescale in your project schedule. Of course, I'll teach you how to do that in this video, so let's get started. My organization needs me to display fiscal year date formatting and regular year date formatting in the timescale bar that is at the top of the Gantt chart screen. If you have a need like this, then complete the following steps for your organization. Click the File tab to display the backstage, and then click the Options tab to display the Project Options dialog. In this dialog, click the Schedule tab to display the Schedule page. The field in question is called Fiscal Year Starts In. Click that pick list and choose the month in which your company's new fiscal year will begin. In our organization, it's July. When finished, click the OK button. Then go ahead and double-click anywhere in the timescale bar at the top of the Gantt chart screen. Immediately click the Show Pick List button and choose the option 3 tiers, top, middle, bottom. Then click the Top Tier tab to display that page. This is the tier on which I want to display our company's fiscal years. So what I'll do is I'll click the Units Pick List button and I'll choose Years. I'll leave the regular date formatting selected, but oh, how I wish that each year would be prefixed with the initials FY, but if you look through the date formatting options, there is no option to include FY. So that's not available, at least not in Microsoft Project currently. Also remember to leave the checkbox selected called Use Fiscal Year to make sure that fiscal year date formatting is applied on the top tier. Next, click the Middle Tier tab to display that page. On this page, choose the units that you would like to display the date information. I want to display months, so I'll click the Units Pick List button and choose the months item. Then click the Label Pick List button and choose the date formatting for this date information. I would like to display the compact date formatting for each month, which will be the Jan 09 date formatting. So I'll select that option. And then because I want to display the calendar year, if you want to do that too, remember to deselect the checkbox called Use Fiscal Year. So I want to show months formatted showing regular calendar months, not fiscal year months. Then click the Bottom Tier tab to display that page, and again choose the units that you want displayed on the bottom tier. I would like to display weeks, so I'll select that option. And then on the Label Pick List button, select the date formatting that you would like to use for your units. Well, in my case, I want to display the 12509 and so forth date formatting. Again, remember to deselect the Use Fiscal Year checkbox to make sure that we get regular calendar year formatting for these dates. When finished, click the OK button. Okay, now I've got 3 tiers. If I scroll to the right to July, here's what I see. Beginning in July, it's FY 2026. I can see that's July 2025, and here's each of the weeks in 2025. Now you know how to display the fiscal year on the timescale bar in your Microsoft project schedules. As always, I sure hope this video was helpful and useful to you. If it was, please remember to like, share, and subscribe, and don't forget to click that notification button. If you have a question or comment, please drop it in the comment section below. And as always, I'll see you in my next video.